Next, what is a degree of a differential equation? A degree of a differential equation is the degree of the highest derivative, degree of the highest derivative which occurs in it. So degree means power. So power of the highest derivative or degree of the highest derivative in the differential equation is called degree of a differential equation. So before finding the degree, simplify differential equation if it contains fractions and radicals of the derivative. That means if it contains like this, dy by dx its power 1 upon 3 and so on, or 2 by 3 and so on. So first simplify these fractions and then decide the degree of the differential equation. Next definition, linear differential equation. What is a linear differential equation? A differential equation is called linear. This is a special form of differential equation. If every dependent variable, so usually we take y as a dependent variable and we write dy by dx, x is independent variable. If every dependent variable and every derivative involved, that is first derivative, second derivative, third derivative of y involved, occurs in the first degree only. So dependent variable y occurs in the first degree as well as every derivative of y occurs in the first degree only, and no products of dependent variable y and derivative occurs. So there will not be a term like this, y into its derivative, first derivative, second derivative and so on. And the dependent variable occurs in the first degree. There will not be a term like this, y square and so on, or dy by dx square. There will not be a term like this. They occur in first degree and there is no product of y and its derivative. So such a differential equation will be called as a linear differential equation. Example, y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to e raised to x. Y dash means dy by dx. So this differential equation, the degree of y double dash is 1, degree of y dash is 1, degree of y is 1. There is no product of y and its derivative. So by definition, it is a second order linear differential equation. Its order is 2, y double dash. So this is a definition of second order linear differential equation. Now, existence and uniqueness theorem. Existence of a solution and uniqueness of a solution for second order linear differential equation. Consider a second order linear differential equation. This is a second order linear differential equation. It contains second order derivative of y. This is y dash, y term. All the derivatives involved are of first degree, the degree of y double dash y dash is 1. Also, y is a dependent variable, its degree is also 1. So first condition satisfied. Second condition, there is no product of y and its derivative. So this is a linear differential equation of order 2. Suppose the right hand side is Rx, some function of x. Now coefficient of y double dash is a0x. A0x is some expression in x like this, x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 like this. A1x is also some expression, A2x is also some expression in x. Rx is also some function of x. So A0x, A1x, A2x, Rx are continuous functions, and on the interval all of them are defined on the interval open interval a to b, and a0x is non-zero. This, what is a0x? Coefficient of largest derivative is not non-zero. If it is zero, this term will become zero and it is not a second order differential equation. So this is non-zero for each x in open interval a comma b. So consider this differential equation. Let C1, C2 be arbitrary real numbers. Consider any two arbitrary numbers like this, say 2 and minus 1, and consider a point, some point in the interval a to b on which a0, a1, a2 and rx are defined. So C1, C2 are arbitrary real numbers and x0 is any point in open interval a comma b. Then there exists a unique solution yx of equation number 1. There exists a, this is the existence. There exists a solution and it is unique. So existence and uniqueness theorem. So there exists a unique solution, say yx of this differential equation, linear second order differential equation, satisfying y of x0 equal to c1 and y dash x0 equal to c2. So this solution satisfies this condition that its value at x0 is c1 and value of its derivative, that is derivative of the solution at x0 is c2, where c1 c2 are any two constant. These are the arbitrary constant we have selected. So for this arbitrary constant and for a point, any point, some point we have selected in the open interval a to b, there exists a unique solution yx of the differential equation 1. This is a differential equation 1. This solution satisfying this condition. The value of the solution at x0 is c1 and value of its derivative at x0 is c2. So such solution exists if you select the two arbitrary constant and one point in open interval AB, then such solution exists. So this is the existence and uniqueness theorem. We will not give a proof for this result, but we use this statement in other theorems. Now, if the conditions of above theorem does not hold, that means certain condition it does not hold, that a0x is not non-zero or any one function a0, a1, a2, rx are not continuous function, then what about the solution? Solution may not exist or it may not be unique or may not exist at all if condition given written here does not hold. There is a single condition that a0, a1, a2, rx are all continuous functions, and first is non-zero. So if any one of these functions a0, a1, a2, rx is not continuous, or a0x is not equal to 0. This condition also does not hold. Then solution of this above equation may not be a unique solution, or it may not exist at all. Now, one important result. This is a corollary to existence and uniqueness theorem. Now, on the right hand side, we are taking Rx equal to 0. So, Yx is a solution of A0x, A1x, A2x as it is. On the right hand side, Rx, we have taken Rx equal to 0. So, Yx is a solution of this differential equation with right hand side equal to 0 and satisfying its value at x0 is 0 and its value of its derivative at x0 is 0. That is, at x0 value of this solution is 0 and at the same point x0 value of the derivative is also 0. Then this solution is 0 for all x, or we say that it is identically 0 for all x. So if you have a solution of this differential equation for which, if we have a solution yx of this differential equation a0x y double dash a1x y dash a2x y equal to 0, satisfying this condition that its value at x0 equal to 0 and value of its derivative at x0 is also 0, then such solution is identically 0 for all x. So we will use this result also in next theorem when we prove. There are 4 results we are going to prove. So in one of the results we will use these results. Now linearly dependent solution. Two solutions of a second order linear differential equation are said to be linearly dependent if there exist two constants C1 and C2 such that C1y1 plus C2y2 is 0 for this constant. So these two constants there exist two non-zero constants. Write it like this: non-zero constant C1 and C2 such that this sum is 0, C1y1 plus C2y2 is 0 for these two non-zero constant. The sum is 0. Then in this case we say that two solutions are linearly dependent. Right? So if there exist two non-zero constant, so that C1y1 plus C2y2 equal to 0, where C1 and C2 are non-zero constant, then the two solutions are linearly dependent. Why they are linearly dependent? If C1, C2 are non-zero, we can write it like this: y1 x equal to minus C2 y2x upon C1. If this C1 is non-zero, so we can divide both sides by C1. Now look at the equation. If you change y2, y1 also changes. Y1 depends on y2. They are linearly dependent. They depend on each other. If you change y2, value of y2, automatically y1 also changes. So they are linearly dependent. So for that we require two non-zero constants such that C1y1 plus C2y2 equal to 0. And two solutions are said to be linearly independent if this combination C1y1 plus C2y2 equal to 0 implies that the two constants are both are 0. Then they are linearly independent. So in linearly dependent, these two constants are non-zero in this equation and they are linearly independent if we start with this combination and show that the two constants are 0. That means this Combination is 0 only when C1 is 0, C2 is 0. Then in that case, we say that they are the two solutions or two functions are linearly independent. Then we define Wronskian of the two solutions. Symbol we will use W in bracket y1 comma y2. So first row y1 y2, second row their derivative y1 dash y2 dash. So this determinant is called Wronskian of the two functions. Similarly, we can write Wronskian of the three functions y1, y2, y3. It is a determinant y1, y2, y3. First derivative y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, and second derivative y1 double dash, y2 double dash, y3 double dash. 3 by 3 determinant. So Wronskian is a determinant. For two solution it is 2 by 2. For three solution it is 3 by 3 determinant. Now first result, if y1, y2 are two solutions of a differential equation, now look at this, the right hand side is 0. It is called homogeneous differential equation or associated homogeneous differential equation. So left hand side is same, only right hand side we have taken as Rx equal to 0. So a0x y double dash a1x y dash plus a2x yx, this addition equal to 0. So y1 and y2 are two solutions of this linear second order differential equation. Then the linear combination of y1 and y2, that is c1 y1 plus c2 y2, where c1 c2 are constant. This linear combination is also a solution. So if y1 y2 is a solution of a linear differential equation which is homogeneous, that is right hand side is 0, then their linear combination is also a solution of that equation. So let us prove this result. Given differential equation is this: a0 y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a2x yx equal to 0. Right hand side is 0. Also given that y1x is a solution, y2x is a solution of this differential equation. So y1x satisfies this equation 1 as well as y2x satisfies equation 1. So replace y by y1x. So we get a0x into y1 double dash x plus a1x y1 double y1 dash x plus a2x y1x equal to 0. Replace y by y1x. In the we get equation 2. Then y2x is also a solution of this differential equation 1. Now put y equal to y2, y2x. So we get a0x, second derivative of y2, plus a1x, first derivative of y2, plus a2x into y2x. It is replace this y by y2x equal to 0. This is equation number 3. We have to show that the linear combination of C1, linear combination of two solutions, that is C1 y1 plus C2 y2. This is a linear combination of two solutions. So this linear combination is also a solution of 1. That is, this linear combination also satisfies equation number 1. So how to show that this linear combination is a solution? Substitute this value in the given differential equation. Y equal to C1 y1 plus C2 y2 and see whether it satisfies that equation or not. So let ux equal to this linear combination C1 y1x plus C2 y2x. It is a linear combination of two solutions y1 and y2. where C1, C2 are constants. What is the derivative of ux? First derivative is the first derivative of y1 plus first derivative of y2. That is C1 y1 dash plus C2 y2 dash. And what is the second derivative of u? Again differentiate C1 y1 double dash x plus C2 y2 double dash x. So this is a linear combination of the two solution. This is a derivative of this linear combination, first derivative, and this is the second derivative of this linear combination. Now we substitute this value, replace y by, we have to show that this linear combination is also a solution. So we will replace y by u in equation 1. If it satisfies by u, then ux is also a solution. So a0x, therefore a0x u double dash x plus a1x u dash x plus a2x ux equal to, what is this? In the differential equation 1, a0x y double dash x plus a1x y dash x plus a2y equal to 0. In this differential equation, we have replaced this y by u function ux. So we get a0x u double dash x, then a1x u dash x, then a2x ux. Let us simplify this. a0x, what is u double dash? We have just seen, we have just ux we have taken as a linear combination c1 y1x plus c2 y2x. Then its derivative is, first derivative is c1 y1 dash x plus c2 y2 dash x, and second derivative of u is c1 y1 double dash plus c2 y2 double dash x. So substitute the value of second derivative of u, c1 y1 double dash x plus c2 y2 double dash x plus a1x into first derivative of u. What is the first derivative of u? c1 first derivative of y1x plus c2 first derivative of y2x plus a2x as it is. ux, now write down ux. Ux is a linear combination of y1 and y2. c1 y1x plus c2 y2x. It is equal to, now separate y1 and y2. It is equal to, what we will do, c1 we take common from this c1, this c1, this c1 we take common. So we get a0x y1 double dash plus c1 is common, a1x y1 dash, this c1 is common, a2x y1x. Then we take c2 common. So this is a c2. c2 is common. So a0x y2 double dash x. This c2 is common. a1x into y2 dash. Then this c2 is common. a2x into y2. Now from equation 2, because y1 and y2 are solution of this differential equation 1, they satisfy. This is a differential equation 1, a0x y double dash x plus a1x y dash x plus a2x yx equal to 0. And we have what is given, that y1 and y2 are solution of this differential equation. So replacing y by y1 here, we get a0x y1 double dash x, a1x y1 dash x plus a2x y1x. Because it is a solution, it satisfies, so we get it is equal to 0. So c1 into 0. Similarly, y2x is also a solution of same differential equation. So we get a0x y2 double dash x, a1x, y2 dash x plus a2x into y2x. This sum is 0. So C2 into 0, C1 into 0, so addition is 0. So that means, what is the left hand side? A0, this is the left hand side. A0x, second derivative of u2. A1x, first derivative of, sorry, this is not u2. A0x, second derivative of u. A1x, first derivative of u, plus a2x, ux is 0. That means ux satisfies this linear differential equation 1, a0 y double dash x plus a1x y dash x plus a2x into y equal to yx equal to 0. So ux satisfies this differential equation, and therefore it is a solution of equation 1. This is equation number 1. So what is ux? Ux is a linear combination of two solutions, so it is also a solution. So if we have any two solutions of a differential equation 1, then any two solution y1 and y2, then their linear combination, that is c1 y1 plus c2 y2, is also a solution of this differential equation. Linear combination of two solutions is also a solution of the given differential equation 1. So what we have proved, if y1 and y2 are any two solutions of this differential equation, a0x y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a2x into yx equal to 0, right hand side is 0. If y1 and y2 are solution of this differential equation, then their linear combination c1 y1x plus c2 y2x is also a solution of this differential equation.